Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to create a quick real in-depth review about this platform called InCorp LLC. So I'm going to walk you through my little usage experience review about this platform. So let's get started. InCorps specialize in registered agent service and corporate compliances rather than a quick LLC formation. Their pricing is very competitive, especially if you are prepaid for multiple years. Their dashboard is functionally, but it's a bit outdated. InCorp's strength is in a long-term cost saving and solid customer service for maintaining companies' good standing across states, best for businesses planning to operate in multiple states. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this platform and what your usage experience with them feels like. Thanks.